So hello guys, welcome to our channel. Let's learn with us. So in today video we're gonna know about some Python scientific notations which we are using in exponent form. Okay, so you cannot use the same way or the same exponent form in Python. So how we gonna use the exponent form? Okay, when we have to represent the exponent form in scientific notation, what we have used. Okay, so in Python, exponent form, also called scientific notations, is a way to represent very large or very small numbers using the letter capital E or small e, which stand for exponent. It commonly used to express number of numbers as product of a number and a power of 10. I repeat, it commonly used to express numbers or a product of a number and a power of 10. Now, how the structure of exponent form? So the general format is small a, capital E, then small b, or small a, small e, then b. So this a and b here represent, so a is a mantissa or a floating point number, the significant part. What is mean by that significant part? For example, if we are writing 3.2, just example this one, okay, 5.7 e 4. So what it really represent when we are saying that 5.7 e 4? So this e this 5.7 is the mantissa part. You got my point? Mantissa is the real floating point number. When we say floating point number, I mean to say that in point 3.4, 3.1, 3.2, 2.5, any number which is in point, we're gonna represent it using a. Is this part clear or not? You have to understand. So a is what? A is mantissa, b is exponent. So this b after the e is exponent, means the power of 10. What the power of 10 will be? Okay, so when we say 3.2, okay, so let's take this example. If we say 5.7 e 4, so we are saying that 5.7 is mantissa, then e, which is 10, to this 4 is exponent. So what is that? This is 7.7, 5.7 into 10 to the power 4, which is 557,000. Are you getting my point or not? So this is nothing, it is into 10. Okay, so this is into 10. So this is the also example. If we say 3.2, how we gonna represent it? Okay, so we're gonna represent like this: 3.2 into 10 to the power what? This is 10 to the power 5. So this is how we're gonna represent our in Python if we have to represent the power, or if we have to represent power in minus in negative terms. If negative terms, we also able to represent it using this notation, this e notation. For example, here 1.2 e minus 3, we represent it like this: 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 3. So if we have to represent a lower very small value, if we have to represent very large value in scientific way, we use this letter e or small e. Okay, so this is all in this video. If you like this video, comment down, like this video, and if you not, you also comment down what you not like this about video, and meet you in next video. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit. Thank you.